All right, hi there everyone, it's Charlotte here. I'm jumping on stories to begin a series of short videos I'm going to be filming around the topic of Neuro-Linguistic Programming, NLP. I've been having some great discussions recently with a number of different coaches and trainers around this topic and helping them get a bit more of an understanding of what NLP actually is and what are the different models and techniques and tools that come within it that we can use to not only support our own sort of growth and development, but there are actually tools and techniques that we can use with our clients as well. So I thought it would be really useful to just jump on here and do a few short videos just to share some of the things that I've been discussing with people. And this first video is really going back to the beginning, because quite often the first question that I get asked is, what is NLP? So why would I not start there? So in order to give a little bit more of a breakdown in terms of what NLP is all about, I'm going to use each of the components of the word in turn and then bring them back together, because I feel this really embodies what NLP is all about. So if we take the first word, neuro. Neuro is all about the mind, our neurology, and how our brain is processing the external world around us through our five senses, so visual, auditory, kinesthetic, olfactory, and gustatory. Next part, language, linguistic. This is a really important component because every day we are giving meaning to the world that is happening around us through our language. And it's really important as well when we're working with other people to know that we can learn so much from their interpretations, their perceptions. We can learn about that from the language that they're actually using. So NLP can then help us to understand how to better communicate with people, to understand the wordings that they're using, their perceptions, how they're experiencing things, to help them start making shifts, but also for us to be able to actually communicate better with people, and also, and maybe more importantly, to be able to better communicate with ourselves. We all know we have that self-dialogue, that inner talk going and repeat inside our minds. And the question is that in support of what it is you want to achieve in life, or is that internal dialogue perhaps actually holding you back? Next, we have programming. Our programs that we're running inside our heads are really how we do what we do. And all of this gets influenced by our thoughts, our behaviors, our language, and our past experience as well. And this is all going to influence how we actually achieve our goals, or maybe we don't in some cases. If we're able to actually uncover and discover the strategies, the programmings that we're running, we're actually going to be able to find out what are effective, what are working for us, and where have we got perhaps some less effective strategies that we're running. And through NLP, the process and the concept of modeling enables us to actually identify excellence in others, or maybe other areas of our life, and how can we actually then utilize those strategies in different areas in support of the goals that we're going after, the outcomes that we want, the behaviors that we want to be demonstrating. So bring that all together, neuro-linguistic and programming. It's all about uncovering and understanding how our thoughts and our language kind of come together to produce our behavior. And the question that you need to ask yourself, and we can always pose this question, is, are these all aligned in order to get the best results that you want to? And if not, NLP models and techniques are going to help you to discover excellence wherever it is, and then actually be able to utilize it in such a way that you can create change in yourself and others as well. There we go. My short overview definition of what is NLP. I hope this was useful for you. Send me some comments if you have any initial questions. I'm going to be doing a few more videos over the course of this week, just introducing some other topics